Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to set a password for your Google Chrome browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. To set a password for your Chrome browser, first open it on your PC and then click on this one menu icon, and in the drop down menu select extensions and then click on this one option, visit Chrome Web Store. Here you need to search for Chrome lock. Just type Chrome lock and press enter on the keyboard. Now you will see this one first option, set password for your browser Chrome lock. Click on this one option. Then click on this one add to Chrome button. Click on add extension button. Now you need to set a password for your Chrome browser that will be prompted when you will first time open Chrome browser on your PC. So just type your secured password, then click on this one OK button. Click on this one OK button. Now Chrome will automatically close. Whenever you will open Chrome browser on your Windows PC, it will prompt for your password. Just enter the password that you have set now and click on OK to open the page. Each time you will open Chrome, it will prompt for you password. Without entering the password, no one can access Chrome browser on your Windows PC.